So guys, my birthday today, and I got a really cool present from the man like Equinox. It's the Brain Dat floppy disks archives, and also another massive batch of DATs. Check it out. Yes, Massive and crew, back once again with another video, and I'm there with the man like Equinox in the place. We literally just got all of the discs. Marlon was kind enough to bring them over for me. Now we're going to go through them and archive everything. See what's there, go through. Comment down below if you want to see the archives. And let us know what you reckon, peeps. Look at that, bare floppies, bare discs. And there's more DATs as well, you say, right?
Yeah, man.
More DATs as well. If you look, another 2 crates here worth of stuff. Looks like we're going to be busy, mate. Busy. So yeah, so comment down below if you want to see these archives. Let me know what you think.
How can you read that? It's that tight in Synchro's house? No.
Just wonder. Old school.
Warp Factor 1. So guys, after 20 years or so, I want to see if this disc actually loads.
No way.
Damn, man, you've got to play that.
Yeah.
Go on.
That's the original one as well.
Let me get over it. Turn it up a little bit. That's nuts. Oh, where's that? You can't hear the Rude Boy sample.
It's not in yet, is it? Oh yeah, you can't.
It's like it's not there though. Is there other where's all the other tracks? How come they don't all play?
Well, because it only plays 4 channels, don't forget the Amiga.
But then wasn't this 8 channel though? Oh wait, I might be getting mistaken. Look at that, man. Or maybe the Rude Boy is in the Akai.
No, it's
950. Flipping hell.
The bass is in there now, but you can't hear it. But that's probably on that was on the Yamaha, wasn't it? Yeah, that was on the little PSR.
The Moon bass, Core Game 1. Moon bass we used to use. Do you remember the Core Game 1?
Yeah, of course.
I've still got that somewhere. So
then up.
Right, this whip here.
Take it back to where we're supposed to be, Mr. Phillips.
Go on! Go on, TDK. Call them numbers.
Pitch bend.
Go on. Flipping heck. That's like the whole song there, isn't it?
It is. It was minus the bass and that was on the MIDI.
You could remaster the whole thing, innit? Flipping hell, man. That's wicked.
You've got it anyway. You've got it on that. Oh, this is a different version. Oh, the Amiga.
It's got a unique kind of twist up, innit?
Yeah. I'm waiting for the men to do better.
I love the way you get all these numbers here. Look. All these, not numbers, the display.
The meters, yeah. Yeah, this version, this must be an early version.
Yeah, this is different, man.
That's it.
Wicked. Yes, man. I'm here with a man like Marlon. We're rolling out Warp Factor 1. We've got TDK Warp Factor 1 up, all the samples loaded on the Amiga. all the discs, we're going through it. And now my 2018 Amiga has crashed with all the upgrades and whatnot have you.
All the upgrades could make them unstable, man.
Makes them unstable.
That's good though. It fixed this.
Wicked. Should we load it again?
That's wicked.
There's a whole heap of technology going on in there. All kind of FFF and all that.
On the MIDI, that was to turn the note off on MIDI.
My goodness.
So it's MIDI note off, we put FFF.
So this, do you reckon that's a manual off then?
Yeah, you have to type it yourself.
Flipping heck, man.
Wow,
Yeah.
bed up.
One.
Take it back to where it's supposed to be, Mr. Blue. Walk back to one.
Smoking the ash. Taking chips under the walls in that night.
Due to the video upload schedule, guys, I've had to cut this video short, but I will be uploading part 2 tomorrow where you can see an in-depth look at some of the discs in the collection. Take care, God bless, peace.